good evening, aspirants. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to Eternal Nursing Education. होप आप लोग सब स्वस्थ होंगे, मस्त होंगे, अपनी पढ़ाई में व्यस्त होंगे। ओके, सो लास्ट क्लास हमारी बातें हुई थी अबाउट इन्फेक्शन कंट्रोल। आई थिंक वी हैव स्टडीड एट वी हैव कम सो फार अबाउट इन्फेक्शन और हाउ वी कैन कंट्रोल इट, व्हाट आर द प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स, कैसे मेजर्स ले सकते हैं, व्हाट आर द चेन ऑफ इन्फेक्शन एंड व्हाट इज द stages of infection, as well as what kind of standard precautions, जिसमें कि droplet, आपका जो भी contact precautions, airborne precautions, all the three were categorized yesterday also that we have studied. Okay, so today is a fresh start. So let's start with another part of our methodology protocols that can be used as a measure to get protected from your infection. और जो आज का जो क्लास है that plays a very very important role that how you can prevent infection. ठीक है, तो एक चीज़ आप बता दीजिए मेरे को, ठीक है? आप जब हम सब ने पैंडेमिक देखा हुआ है, ओके? वी हैव ऑल सीन पैंडेमिक इन 2020, दैट इज़ योर कोविड-19, that means, that broke a huge havoc on all our lives. Yes, that's true, I think everybody knows. And that time many healthcare professionals has sacrificed their time, their family times, everything for the well-being of the people's life. Yes, we cannot forget that. That is completely means that's completely unforgettable. कोई भूल नहीं सकता उस चीज को. Yes, okay. So that time, if you have seen such persons, they were complete in a suit. एक getup ही अलग था उन लोग का, ठीक है? Means in everyday life you are seeing them in hospital. That was a complete different, okay, look of them as they were working in the COVID hospitals. Many of you have seen them. They might be looking like this. Yes, ऐसे दिख रहे थे, right? Why we were looking like this? Because these are the equipments that helps the healthcare professionals to stay protected from the infection and virus and the bacteria. कभी सोचा आपने, the person who is being affected with COVID, okay, and the nurse is taking care of him. So how can the nurse is not getting affected of that? Why? Yes, in some cases, the nurses and the doctors were also being affected. But, in case many of the, most of the cases, it was not. Okay. Yes, a few nurses and few doctors, a few healthcare professionals, and some proportions, they were also affected. It's not just 100% guarantee of yours being staying protected from that infection, but it can provide you an ultimate protection to keep yourself safe. It gives you an assurance that if you're carrying it with a complete form, then you can stay protected at the maximum efforts. Okay, that is a thing. Okay. So for their safety, they were wearing like this, they were looking like this, because these are the equipments that are used to keep the healthcare professional stay protected from the whatever the infection the patient is carrying. Okay. Yes. So today's our topic is personal protective equipments. That is nothing but your PPE. Okay. So it is the today's topic. And we're gonna discuss it in proper details. Ki PPE में क्या आता है? What is the PPE kit containing? Okay, what are the various forms of equipment, means protective equipments that the healthcare professionals should carry? Why he should carry? How he should carry? Everything in details. We're gonna study about it. Okay, so stay tuned with us. Like our class, subscribe our class, and share it with as many as people you can, because each of your share and each of your means likes and subscribing just provides us the motivation to bring such informational contents for you like this. So show some love and give us a like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Okay, so let's start with it here. So PPE means, as I told you, PPE stands for personal protective equipments. In this equipment, can you see in this image what the nurse is wearing? Nurse or doctor, whatever, the healthcare professional, what she is wearing? What are the equipment she is carrying right now? Can you see the cap? This is hair cap. Yes. Can you see the gloves? Yes. She is wearing or donning a gloves. This is called as donning a gloves. Gloves पहनना, हम उसे donning कहते हैं. Donning the gloves. ये sterile gloves होते हैं. और clean gloves भी आते हैं depending on the procedure, type of procedure you are working with. It comes with different variety of species. ठीक है. फिर उसने क्या उन्होंने क्या पहना हुआ है ना, this is the gown. Important PPE. Yes, as per in the last class we studied that in the contact precautions, two most important PPE that is being carried by the healthcare professional, that is gloves and gown. Yes, these are the two most important PPE that is being carried, that should be carried by the healthcare professional in case of working with a patient who is being affected with contact infections. So contact precautions में दो PPE आते हैं, that is your gloves and gown. ठीक है? Yes. And what she's wearing here, this is the mask. Yes. This is not the complete one. Two things more are missing. We will be seeing in the next picture. Okay. So the things which I just mentioned right now, the hair cap, the mask, the gloves, and the gown, these things make up the PPE. These things sum up into PPE. Okay, it's not visible now. Okay, I'll shift it to just upward. Just give me a second. Okay, now is it visible? So these are the parts. Okay, the hair cap, the mask, the gloves, the gown, and the face shield, the goggles. Not this one. Okay, not this one. This doesn't comes in PP. Okay, so the special goggles is there. I'll show you the picture. Okay, so these are the equipments which sum up to form a PPE kit. A PPE kit contains all these forms. Okay, so just I'm showing you. ठीक है. So हमारे जो पीपी, just see this picture. This is a again picture. This this is the face shield. Yes, this is the face shield, and this one is the goggles. Am I clear? ठीक है? These two things and these are the parts. Okay, and these parts. So these are the components which are found in a PPE kit. These sum up total as a total PPE kit which protects the healthcare professional from getting infected, from spreading cross infection, and which is completely protective from all kind of aspects. ठीक है. तो हमने देखा ये PPE होता है कि what is PPE, that is these are personal protective equipment that provides you the protections against your different kinds of infections, from spreading cross infections, so many things. Okay, so before moving into that, we'll be studying what is the purpose of PPE. PPE क्यों use होता है, ठीक है? Purpose of PPE kit. So what are the purpose of PPE kit? Yes, first of all, to prevent cross infection. ताकि पहले to prevent, so that the cross infection can be prevented. आपसे मुझे, मुझे आपसे, yes, because for example, suppose you are the patient and I'm the nurse. Okay, I'm not wearing PPE kit. Okay, and I'm not carrying any kind of personal protective equipment with me. I'm not wearing a mask. I'm not wearing a goggles. So what will happen? No, any of your sputum or any of your droplets, or if you're sneezing or during suctioning, any secretions that might get transferred into my nose or my body. Okay, if any open pores are there, it can get in that, or any blood droplets. Okay, anything or any airborne infection that can immediately affect me. So first of all, to prevent cross infections, आपसे मुझे ना हो जाए, और for example मान लो कि आप patient हो, I'm the nurse and I'm having some certain airborne infections. From me it cannot affect to you. That is why also I'm wearing a PPE kit. ठीक है? So to prevent cross infection, okay, see, इनसे और इनसे, ठीक है? It should not affect like that. Okay, so from this person to this person, this person, this is called as cross infection. ठीक है? Means person A is affecting person B, एंड पर्सन बी इज ऑल्सो साइमल्टेनियसली अफेक्टिंग पर्सन ए। ठीक है, तो क्रॉस इन्फेक्शन हो रहा है। ठीक है, माई ड्राइंग इज वेरी बैड, डोंट जज मी लाइक दिस, ओके। So kindly don't judge me for my drawing. My drawing is very bad, as I told you from early days also. ठीक है, so that's a different thing. ठीक है, so to prevent cross infection means from for example two personals are there to prevent the infection from first person to second person to first person, and so that these two persons again will infect four other persons. ठीक है, इट विल गो एज अ चेन। सो इस चेन को ब्रेक करने के लिए वी हैव टू वेयर द पीपी। ठीक है, सो द फर्स्ट पर्पस ऑफ पीपी सर्व्स द पर्पस टू प्रिवेंट क्रॉस इन्फेक्शन। यस, अगेन टू व्हाट, टू प्रोटेक्ट द कम्युनिटी हेल्थ। कैसे? Okay, if the nurse itself is staying safe, so she will again come in contact with four other persons. So if the nurse is safe, she will not be carrying any infections with her. So that means she will not affect any other persons with her. That means she will not be carrying any other infections with her. That means she won't affect or infect other personnel with the some infections or with the infection of the patient that she was caring for in some previous days. ठीक है, मतलब कुछ दिन पहले वो जिस पेशेंट का केयर कर रही थी, उस चीज़ से अगर शी इज़ कैरिंग अ प्रॉपर पीपी, दैट मीन्स शी वोंट गेट अफेक्टेड। येस, दैट मीन्स व्हेन शी विल बी केयरिंग फॉर अदर पर्सन, सो शी वोंट अफेक्ट देम। ओके? सो लाइक दिस द होल कम्युनिटी कैन स्टे सेफ विद दैट इन्फेक्शन। ठीक है? येस, फॉर द सेफ्टी ऑफ हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स। येस, तो क्या होता है ना इसमें, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे कि यू नो दैट द पर्पस ऑफ द पीपी किट इज ऑल्सो टू provide protection to the healthcare personnel also. As I told you, in COVID also that thing happened. Okay, so the doctors were wearing gown, the doctors were wearing white, like a raincoat, they were wearing like that. Okay, completely goggles, then respirators, then gloves, dual gloves also, face shield, many things they were carrying with them so that they can stay protected from the virus, because the virus was very strong and it was almost a pandemic, almost not, it was a pandemic affecting the whole world. Many healthcare personnel died, many patients died, it took over lots of population. Okay, so for them the safety of the healthcare, if the healthcare professionals will only be infected, then who will take care of the patients? Yes, so as to prevent that situation, so it is very important for the healthcare personnel to carry the pp kit properly, so for the safety of healthcare professionals and for the safety of patient. ठीक है, so these are some points which you need to look about before going into the further of pp. अगर आपसे कोई पूछे कि why pp is being used, you can answer that pp is being used for this purpose, so as to prevent cross infection, to provide safety of the client, safety of the healthcare professional, and for the safety of the entire community health. ठीक है, so these are some of your important points. अच्छा, what are the components coming in your pp as I told you right now? So can you tell me without seeing this picture, आप बता सकते हो मेरे को what are the components? What are the components coming under a PPE kit? Yes, can anybody tell me? Yes. First is your head cap. Head से शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है? The hair cap. Yes, then goggles. Then the mask or the respirator. Yes. Remember, mask and respirator are the two different things. I'm gonna tell you after that. Just remind me, okay? Mask, respirators, then hair cap over, goggles over, mask, respirator over, then gown. Yes, gown. Yes, then gloves. Of course, shoe cover. Are we forgetting something? Yes, of course. Face shield. ठीक है? Am I clear till this? ठीक है? So this is comes again as a question पूछ सकता है, आपको कुछ भी चीज़ें दे देगा, ठीक है? Pick up the question will be there, many types of equipments will be given. They will ask you the question that spot out all the equipments that are used in PP, ठीक है? ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन not everything we are considering as PP. Okay. So, the question will be coming like that. Some equipments will be given right now, right there in the question, and you will be asked to spot out some components that are categorized under the PP. So, you have to categorize and you have to spot out the particular parts which are coming under your care PP kit. That can be your hair cap, that is goggles, that is again your mask, respirators, then gowns, then gloves, then shoe covers, then face shield, etc. So, these are the components coming under the PP. ठीक है? ये जो सारी चीज़ें हैं, ये आती हैं, ठीक है? और सी लिसन, नॉट पीपी इज़ ऑलवेज़ इट्स फॉर द वी आर डिस्कसिंग फॉर द नर्सेस, बट पीपी इज़ बीइंग वर्न नॉट मेनी अदर क्लाइंट्स आल्सो, मेनी अदर प्रोफेशनल्स आल्सो, जो आप लोग जो सेफ्टी पार्ट्स में जो रहते हैं, सेफ्टी डिपार्टमेंट्स में जो लोग रहते हैं, अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी हो गया, माइन्स में दोज़ हू आर वर्किंग, दे कैन आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड, ओके, उनकी हेड में ना एक दे दे विल बी वेयरिंग अ हेलमेट लाइक दिस, and a torch flashlight would be coming from there so that they can dig up and go down without the necessity for being adding extra source of light. Okay, light is already being attached over there in the helmet itself. Okay, they'll be given hook belts. Okay, after that gloves will be given, some their specific uniforms are there so that they can dug up and go down. Okay, like that the constructions under construction workers also, no, they are also being provided with equipments. Okay, that is being important, that is actually important. Every employee who is working in case of safety occupational hazards, they can become a victim of the occupational hazards. So to protect them, PP kit is very, very important, not just for nurses but for everybody those who are working under such means no hazard prone areas or hazard prone occupations. Okay, ठीक है? So these are the essential parts which is being provided to the healthcare professionals. ठीक है? Am I clear till this? Yes. Okay. Now we'll be studying that how you can wear these things. ऐसे मन से उठा के ऐसे रखा होगा, you can अब जो मन में आए सबसे पहले वो पहन ले, नहीं वैसा नहीं होता है। ठीक है? So there is a order of wearing PP. Okay. See how she's wearing. Okay, you all have to become nurses like that, and you also have to look like this. Okay, if you're working under any pandemic or any ICUs or any sterile procedure you're doing, you need to maintain sterility. Okay, so you're also gonna look like this. Okay, so all the aspirants just hold up all your efforts and carry it forward all together so that you will end up like this. Okay, so just to look like this, we need to study and we need to focus and we need to understand every bit of AP. Not just PP, all the topics which you're carrying, no, just go for in details. Okay, सबके concepts समझो, make some, okay, you understand, go through the topic in details. After that, make a, in a nutshell, you prepare your own notes. Okay, so that notes will be helpful for you in the last minute revisions. Okay, that you can do. And many other things are there. Okay, so we are not going to discuss like that right now because we are discussing PP. Okay, so I'm just telling you that in the PP, okay, there is an order. Okay, so there is a order of wearing PPE. Okay, order of wearing. Just a second. Is the order of wearing PPE. Sorry. Okay, so am I clear? So order of wearing PPE, that is we are having an order. Okay, how we can wear it. ऐसे सब में से उठा के नहीं पहन सकते हैं, ठीक है? So according to that, just a second. Hello. हाँ 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 Okay, sorry. Okay, so order of wearing PPE according to the CDC guidelines. Okay, according to the CDC guidelines, there is a particular order of wearing the PPE. from where you can start and where you can end. ठीक है? So first of all we are wearing the order, wearing order. First of all हम order देखेंगे दो चीज का. Okay, wearing means wearing the PP and removing the PP. Wearing PPE and removing the PP will be seen in a complete order. Okay. सो फर्स्ट थिंग क्या होगा ना, जब आप पहन रहे हो, ठीक है, फर्स्ट थिंग यू नीड टू नोट, आप सबसे पहले क्या पहन रहे हो, ठीक है। सबसे पहले आप रेडी होते हो, ठीक है, आप मान लो कोई भी चीज के लिए जा रहे हो, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू गेट योर ड्रेस प्रॉपरली। कौन सा ड्रेस पहन के जाओगे? ओके, यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ पार्टी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रेस सिलेक्शन कम्स इन आवर माइंड। ओके, फॉर स्पेसिफिकली दोस गर्ल्स, हाँ, दैट वी व्हाट वी आर वेयरिंग, क्या पहनना है, बहुत सारे कपड़े, कपड़े ही नहीं है एक्चुअली, पहनेंगे क्या, ठीक है, समझ में नहीं आता, मेरे पास तो ड्रेसेस ही नहीं है एक्चुअली, सी योर वार्डरोब, ओके, दैट इज फुल ऑफ ड्रेसेस, but still you are out, you're blank and you're out of mind that what I have to wear. Okay, so that happens, but the first thing that comes to if you're going for outside, if you go for outing, hanging out with your friends, clubbing, first of all the things comes to your mind, that is what should I wear. So first thing comes your dress. So wearing PP also, first is your gown. Okay, first you're wearing the gown, then after gown what you can do, after gown you can wear the shoe cover. Yes, okay. ठीक है, आफ्टर वेयरिंग द गाउन यू कैन गो टू शू कवर, ठीक है। फिर हम लोग ऊपर आएंगे, ठीक है, देन विल बी वेयरिंग द मास्क। ओके, मास्क, रेस्पिरेटर, वॉट एवर यू आर सपोज टू वेयर, ठीक है, देन विल बी वेयरिंग द गॉगल्स, ठीक है, मास्क एंड गॉगल्स बोथ टुगेदर, देन एट लास्ट विल बी वेयरिंग द ग्लास, ठीक है। So before going for any cases or any specific procedures, no, this is the basic way of, or this is the basic way or order you are wearing the PPE. ठीक है? So this means this goes like a order from this to this. Okay, how you can wear. First of all, you have to wear the gown. Okay, after that you have to wear the shoe cover. Yes. Then after that again come to mask. You are wearing surgical mask and 95 respirator, anything that you have to carry. Okay. Then comes the goggles. Yes, goggles. After that your gloves. What you're wearing, gloves comes at the last. This point is noted. Okay. Question can come like that. Which is the first equipment we're wearing? Okay, while wearing, what is the first equipment you need to carry out? And while removing, what is the first equipment you need to remove out? That's the question. And what is the last equipment you need to wear? What is the last PP which you have to wear? Okay, last PP is your gloves and first one is your gown. Okay, this is the question. Then, while removing, आप क्या, आप पहले सबसे पहले what you are removing out? सबसे पहले you have to remove the gloves. Okay, first of all you need to remove the gloves, ठीक है। उसके बाद आप क्या कर सकते हो, next thing you need to remove your goggles. Yes, next thing you can remove your goggles, after that your gown. Yes, again after that your shoe cover. Yes, at last you will be wear means removing the mask. Oh, it's not visible na, just a second, sorry, my mistake. Shoe cover thing, is it visible? No, okay, just wait. हाँ, ठीक है, after that it comes, ठीक है, at last is your mask. ठीक है? So this is the complete order in which you are removing. First is your, this is again a question and this is again a question. ठीक है? Question will be like that कि which is the first PP which you are removing after any procedure. Procedure के बाद which is the first PP which you have to remove, that is your gloves. Let it be sterile, let it be clean, doesn't matter. But you have to first remove your gloves. And which is the last equipment or last PP which you have to remove after finishing in procedure? That is your mask or the respirator. ठीक है? That is the fact. So question will come like this. First PPE to be removed after any procedure. ठीक है? So what you will write? The answer will be gloves. Then again question will be like that. Last PPE to be removed after any procedure. Yes. So answer would be what? Answer would be mask. Mask or, ठीक है? Then which is the first PP to be worn? सबसे पहले आप क्या पहनते हो? What is the first thing you need to wear? Gown. Yes. ठीक है? Then question may come, arrange the PPE of wearing. जो PPE आप wear कर रहे हो in ascending order. Okay. The question may come like this. ठीक है? Arrange the pattern of PPE. Okay, arrange the pattern, wearing pattern of PPE in ascending order. Means सबसे पहले in a particular order और आप और order बता सकते हो in a systemic order. क्या हो सकता है? सबसे पहले wearing करने वक्त हम सबसे पहले क्या पहनेंगे? Gown, then shoe cover, then mask, then goggles. ठीक है? After that the last part is your gloves. Yes. Then while removing, which you are removing out, सबसे पहले gloves. Yes. Remove it. ठीक है? फिर उसको इसके अंदर रख के completely out. Discard. Okay. Gloves. After that, what you are removing out? Goggles. Then gown. Then shoe covers. At last, you'll be removing the mask. ठीक है? So this pattern you should understand, and this is very very important. You have to note it. Okay, no, mention it in your last minute revision notes. Mention it in your LMR notes. Okay, this is very important pattern of removing and wearing. You need to mark it out and you need to by heart it because this is important. And these are some probable questions that can be asked. या फिर question ऐसे दे सकता है कि arrange the orderly process of removing PP. ठीक है? So removing PP के लिए orderly process क्या है? You can go like this. Okay. सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? Yes. Just by heart it with me. सबसे पहले gloves, then goggles, then gown, then shoe cover, at last mask. ठीक है? Is it clear for you all? Yes. ठीक है. अच्छा. One more thing I just forgot to tell you. ठीक है? As you saw, she is wearing a hair cap. Okay? See. This is the hair cap. To protect you, okay, to protect, because to protect yourself also. And one more important thing is that, while providing care to the client, we want to maintain the complete hygiene and sterility. So in case of any hair fall, देखो normally ऐसे hair एक दो कहीं पे भी fall off हो सकता है. So to prevent that, that can get into the procedure, that can lead to infection. So to prevent that, we are wearing a complete hair cap. You must have seen this kind of caps, those who are working in pantry also, जो लोग pantry में work करते हैं, or chefs, or in the hotel side. You must have seen this kind of caps over with them also. So that the same thing goes with that. If you are hoping something from that person, no, हम लोग एक restaurant जा रहे हैं, फिर हम लोग hospital जा रहे हैं, we are expecting the complete hygienic procedures to be carried out. ठीक है? तो उस चीज के लिए this all equipments are necessary. ठीक है? सबसे पहले hair cap, and the why she is wearing a face shield, face shield, that is, no, this face shield. Okay, so this face shield, why when it is going worn, suppose for example you are doing any kind of procedure that may spill some secretions like a sputum, or in case of your secretions that can go into your mouth, eyes, nose. Okay, so to protect that completely, we are wearing the face shield. Okay, so to protect us, our eyes, mouth, and nose from getting the exposure to that excretions or any sputum collections. Okay, for example, any droplet infections हो रहे हैं, जिसके वजह से the secretions can go into, we can get exposure to that. To prevent that, we are wearing the face shield. ठीक है? अच्छा, gloves, दो टाइप के gloves होते हैं, that is, basically two types of gloves are there. That is one sterile gloves that comes in various sizes, okay? Because sterile gloves should be completely fit to your hands. So it comes in sizes 6 होते हैं, ठीक है? 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, and etc. etc. So depending on the hand size, the specific fitting test is being done before using those gloves. And it has got also a separate procedure of wearing the sterile gloves. ठीक है? अच्छा, मैंने कहा था कि मास्क and respirator has got some difference. Mask and respirator are not the same, they are not same. ठीक है? हम बहुत सारे लोगों को ये मिसकंसेप्शन है, the surgical mask which they are wearing, you can see this mask. Okay, just a second. See, this is the surgical mask. See, this is the surgical mask. Many people have got the misconceptions that these surgical masks can protect them from the airborne infections, pandemic. इसी इसी मिसकंसेप्शन के चलते जो कोविड का जो पैंडेमिक हुआ था, जो स्प्रेडिंग हुआ था, इट गॉट दैट वायरस took many people as the victims. Why? Because no, people had got misconception that any cloth mask they were wearing at that time, थी कोई भी कपड़े का मास्क इलास्टिक लगा के मार्केट्स में आते थे. ठीक है, people thought that this mask is going to protect and they were wearing it confidently and moving out of the house. ठीक है, तो ऐसे सोच के वो लोग मूव आउट कर जाते थे. लेकिन फिर भी they used to get COVID. Why? Because this is not gonna provide the ultimate protections, because this is just a सर्जिकल मास्क. ये ड्रॉपलेट इन्फेक्शंस को प्रिवेंट कर सकता है, नॉट द एयरबॉर्न इन्फेक्शंस. सो यू नीड टू नोट दैट आप यू नीड टू नोट दैट यू नो जो मास्क होते हैं, दे प्रोवाइड प्रोटेक्शन against only droplet infections. However, जो respirators होते हैं, what is a respirator? See, this is a respirator. This is N95 mask for respirator. ये जो होता है, you can see a fitting is there. Can you see a fitting? I have marked it. एक second now. मैंने डिजाइन बना दिया. Okay. Can you see this? It is a fitting, when you're wearing that mask, N95 mask, it comes with a fitting over in nasal bridge, so that यहाँ पे fit रहना चाहिए, वो यहाँ पे fit रहेगा, and complete coverage it will be providing you like this. Okay, so that ठीक है, the mask will completely fit and it has got the respirators that it can prevent protection from your airborne infection or airborne it can act as a airborne precautions. ठीक है, so next time when you're dealing with any airborne infection patient, जो हमने पढ़ा था क्या क्या आता है हमारे airborne infections में, measles, tuberculosis, varicose, zoster. So next time you're handling those patients, now don't rely on surgical masks because they don't protect you from your airborne infections. They can only provide protections against the droplet infections. Note my words. This is important. ठीक है? However, these respiration masks, they provide protection against airborne infections. ठीक है, सो जो आपके रेस्पिरेटर्स आते हैं दे प्रोवाइड प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट द एयरबॉर्न इन्फेक्शंस. ओके, रेस्पिरेटर्स की एग्जांपल्स क्या क्या है? एग्जांपल आवर N95 मास्क, दे कम विद कंप्लीट फिटिंग्स रहते हैं द नेज़ल ब्रिज एंड कंप्लीटली आपका जो माउथ रहता है वो फुल कवरेज प्रोवाइड कराता है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिफरेंस यू नीड टू नोट एंड क्वेश्चन इफ दे आस्क्स यू, so which kind of mask you need to wear or which kind of PPE provides protection against this, so you can write surgical masks, they don't provide protection against the airborne infections, they can only provide protections from the droplet infections. However, the respirators, particular N95 or N090, they act as a barrier against your airborne infections. ठीक है, that is the difference between the mask and the respirator. ठीक है, am I clear? And gloves also, there is two types of gloves. One are the clean gloves, ठीक है, that is any kind of dressing you're doing, minor dressings हो गया या फिर any feeding procedures or suctioning procedures, you can wear that. Okay, but you have to wear the sterile gloves. Okay, for any sterile procedures you're doing, okay, या फिर CVP suctioning हो गया या फिर I mean CVP dressing हो गया या फिर CVP installations you're doing, catheterization, कोई भी sterile procedure you're doing, okay, or sectional procedure, you have to wear the sterile gloves that comes in different sizes. Okay, and that is a separate class, that how you are donning the glasses, how you're removing the glasses. Why I'm saying glasses? Sorry, my mistake. This is how you're donning the gloves and how you're removing the gloves. That is also an important class. We'll be taking that soon. Okay, how you can wear the sterile gloves. देखो sterile gloves पहनने का एक तरीका होता है. जो sterile gloves होते हैं ना, they are coming in a sterile package. आप उसको कैसे ओपन करते हो, हाउ यू आर ओपनिंग इट, फर्स्ट विच फ्लैप यू आर ओपनिंग, फर्स्ट इन विच हैंड यू आर कैरिंग इट आउट, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उसके ऊपर विल बी टेकिंग अ सेपरेट क्लास, हाउ टू डॉन द ग्लव्स एंड हाउ टू doff the gloves. That also will be studying very soon. Okay, that will be separate class of ours. So for today we are coming to a nutshell that आज हमने क्या क्या सीखा, क्या क्या we understood that the PPE kit is meant for protecting ourselves and to protect the health of our health also, and to protect the health of patient, to prevent cross infection and for the full community health. Okay, and as per the standard protocols we have to wear the PPE kit, जिसमें कि क्या क्या आता है, हेयर कैप, गॉगल्स, मास्क, gloves, gown and shoe cover, and there is an order of wearing these things. Okay, while wearing there is a certain order of wearing, and while removing also there is a certain order of wearing given by the CTC guidelines. ठीक है, और एक और चीज है, ईच ऑफ दिस कंपोनेंट सर्व्स द डिफरेंट पर्पस. ठीक है, गाउन यू आर वेयरिंग, फॉर एग्जांपल फ्रॉम गेटिंग, इफ our body can get any exposure to secretions or any blood spill हो सकता है, secretion spill हो सकता है, that's by wearing the gown. ठीक है, gloves क्यों पहनते हैं हम लोग? Because many things we are doing by our hands. Okay, so any cross infection HIV patient you are dealing, or any blood contagious patients you are dealing, so to protect yourself and to also to protect the patient for their health, where we're using the gloves. And gloves comes in a separate categories as per depending on the procedures you are doing. Similarly, mask and respirators also, they serve the purpose. They are coming into two types. Mask is different and respirator is different. Mask serves to protect only from the droplet infections, not from the airborne infections. But Respirator is the one that provides as a barrier to protect against the airborne infections. Okay, I think we are clear with all kinds of equipments which we have studied today. Any doubt you're having, just mention us in our comment section. Stay tuned with us. Show some love. Okay, like, share, and subscribe our ENE channel. Look so that you can get more videos like this. And another protocol part is there. We'll be continuing these classes till we finish it completely in details. Okay, so join for us for the next classes and have a very good day. Thank you.